spot inspection of this very important initiative of the government. This is College of Commerce and Science, which is funded under the fund which has been provided from NLCPR, Non-Lapsable Central Pool of Resources, which is intended to be utilized in case the binding 10% expenditure which has to be done by the respective ministries are not somehow absorbed in the given financial year. Then what happens is that this unspent money gets accumulated under NLCPR, Non-Lapsable Central Pool of Resources. And out of this NLCPR fund, which is then as a custodian, Ministry of Honor is entrusted with this fund. This fund has been utilized for getting this sanction of College of Commerce and Science, at least for 2 such colleges. One is in Pasig and one is in WC. When you give college, College of Commerce and Science, they go Northeast Ministry, Government of India Ministry, Gigantia, Mission of the Siprapo budget, only 10% for Northeast of Poroskana. Compulsory. Poroskana Manjam, they will see Unutiva Dagapo, Smongimina, Ministry of Donor is a Donana. Then Ministry of Donor becomes a custodian of that unspent money, and that's why it is referred as NLCPR, Non-Lapsable Central Pool of Resources. So out of this NLCPR fund, since it was specific to HRD, Human Resource Development, we have taken advantage and then got this money sanctioned in favor of Meghalaya. And we have somehow prioritized this amount for establishments of 2 Colleges of Commerce and Science, keeping in mind the huge gap that is existing in the state in respect of providing access to this education in the respective fields of your science and commerce at the degree level. When ya building ko apa china kita ada senior apa china di bawah kamar ko masuk desain ya ko terapi masuk na sokon china kita ya program ko dalam jadi ko di department kita dongi kita salah somai aku tak kale karyo ni kelas apa china mana silong ko masuk desain ino ko masuk desain jadi ko jebong ko masuk dapna ucapannya aku suka itu lah saya juga suka ni aku 맞춰달라 클래스랑고 에카데믹 세션과 아파트나 조금 하나 붙잡아 아로 코스랑고 세션 같다가 아간 간이보다 간이 잡는 코스랑고 세션 아 티칭 아로 논 티칭 아로 프린시플 거가 몇번 했더니 왜냐면 이하고 가려 맞췄다 그다 가면고 같이 나갔다 아간 간이보다 이 디파트먼트 박사 아로 디파트먼트는 만나도 방탄원 분들 그저 할리 예스김 맞춰다 게임 잡히네 분위기 세번 아무 작가오 대박 사파라니 마동아 야 아고 미가 소통하고 간 미가 소통하고 많고 오나 야 박사파라 소아라 그 삼번이야 남이 개트리고나 완전히 그러면 싱가포르 GMB 스쿨 동안 잘프랑 블로잉 간수아 예노닌 so it is considered as another potential feeder school to provide the potential aspiring students after completing their class 12 book. 그러면 3번이야 베트남이나 JMB 스쿨 동안 잘프랑 남매가 마카랑 마카타니노나 사람고 왔다. 우리 3번과 생계파 사기니 송동안 자파하티 문제 받는데랑 이자나가 동안에다가 아가 스키 3번 자파하티 native village of PSMA is just nearby, which is called Chapat. We are, in a way, it has become an educational hub. When Kentrikona school longin Namtupa school game, after Saranga, Sababa, 10% first division mark, Aro, Poparam, actually game, Bambiam, Kamal, Maparani, Dedrang, Yano, Koreana, subject, Yan Chion, letter marks from Anemana. Engineer untuk barang, doktor untuk barang pengawas, negara cuma makan duit barang dia itu. Kalau ni sampai dua degree college dong, macam ni. Dia cuma macam tu.
Aceh Raman College.
Aceh Raman. 동안. But more or less, 방안되냐 하긴 약 나고 야 마하리랑 시용이 야나 예수 보내주고 아바칭 나다 원나 야네 비등왕한 게 아니었을까? tentang government development program ko nodik ya untuk pani besok untuk nanti seleka untuk noktang ni manten apa mahari ni derana service ko onak dan yang ko tharia kamu yang 동작 nanti ba ani jasong yang ko tharia ini kemen untuk parangna ya nani follow as a just to reciprocate the generosity. Mana pangpataw na siyang arang po ni school, college na hospital na siyang rerong siya. Societal obligation na naman na siyang din free on ako ba gift ba donate ka ba siyang amroma. Pangpataw chamon sekarang naman ni donate ka gift ka hindi ba policy 동작이 그러면 department ng regular appointment po ni aon ka pa na on kapani nukang na service rangko kota manjat ni ba ya kota pin yang kapan hani kan ko regular post ko nukto parang kota manna ni kan nokma tu bingang mahari ba tu bingang mana ya gift ko maksud kujanya agani nga ni kan dal department ng maksa agani ka ya gift ko niamo pangchaki biga sokon hanko mahari ni kita anchini matra mahari tumungi no workload function maka gift ko side ke ya gift ko name program ke side ke china mahari manok ni manderang ni kamu aru area ni leaderang ni kamu somoy manode ama bi ko ne ya gift ko side hai di pun na sakina side ne ini men helbia badan ko aru nakko maina nangget patungu no maina basa ko bade mateng jani kemen location ko finalize kana man jan ini ba dia ako aga naman group mana igen ni pa chinga takyan nimna aga na ni isyong iya location ko finalize ka aha uni gamanan scheme ko pag kira pa naman na ide umda aro kham ko tarakya pa china na umda be taw ka wa namni eklavia school ke parang ko section de ka ya konchi ka isa section ka ani kun tawn bus kurang na pa china man ya ni ja chamira mo edi ba ya ko man ani ke ino de ja changani dongja ni ba khamra ko tarakya ma chotkan work plan ko 아리면 바디다 살리 기사고 맞췄게 이거 맨속 지나가다 나올 지까 이번에 그러면 야 work plan 거 나온 유로피안 거 디파트먼트랑 work plan을 방착게 야 감고 맞췄다나 컨트랙터도 디자인이 고답게 바로 컨트랙터랑 양대다 야랑 소모됐다 맞췄었대 어느데 디파트먼트 액션할게 뭐 액션 아니면 양과 원이랑 같이 시험 베게 야 스쿨 야 콜레조 안층이야 방뱅도로 commerce and science college ko apa china mani ina dokni mandera kam biak rangi drang ya na porain bagi ani gaman namdokpa anjini societal environment community lo sakye maina dalna chuna porai pa drang ko sambadolni drang kemana bishomba dakana chukana sakani dongge aro tabi shwe porai na skin aro inon ski parang Tadal lupa gata una foreign MSc pass kal para BCom ya MCom pass kal para doctorate pass kal para service na senior dong para ya no service ma ya ni gaman ya no khang apo na kemna one day drum pan ki tamna chuna sakya so it will be another powerful instrument for the society to inspire our young ones because seeing is believing so people of this remotest part of the country when they see and that okay, young men and women who have been able to achieve so much in their respective academic career, they have made a difference in their own respective life and can make a difference in the lives of all our children and grandchildren in future. The Bauya mindset na inspiration from Gandhi will be an instrument of inspiration. When I give my best wishes to the principal and to the staff, baru makmak komputer saya, mahari rangdam jalan ko area di Menteri. Thank you.